Genius Hub, smart made simple. The Genius Hub can be placed flat on a surface, such as a cabinet or mounted on a wall. To mount it onto a wall, first remove the back plate by turning the Genius Hub around so the logo is facing away from you with the cutout for the Ethernet cable at the bottom. Slide the segmented back plate in the center of the Genius Hub down, holding the outside of the Genius Hub. The back plate can be screwed to the wall with a segmented part facing the wall. Before you screw the back plate to the wall, place the Ethernet cable through the cutout so it is between the back plate and the wall. If you have Genius radiator valves, ensure that the communications adapter is installed into the Genius Hub. If it is not, insert the communications adapter into the USB port found at the bottom of the Genius Hub. Connect the Genius Hub to your internet router using an Ethernet cable. This fits into the port located in the middle of the rear of the Genius Hub. Plug the USB power cable, both to the Genius Hub, until you hear it click, and into the power supply provided, and plug into a wall socket. A green light will appear on the left-hand side. When the Genius Hub successfully connects to the internet router, a second regularly flashing green light will appear on the left-hand side. Place the Genius Hub back onto its backplate. For more information, go to geniushub.co.uk.